In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to your Google Calendar. This is a handy integration that allows you to sync your tasks and events seamlessly, ensuring you stay organized and on top of your schedule. Let's dive right into the process, starting from opening the Notion website. First, go ahead and navigate to the Notion website using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, if you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. You should now be greeted by your main dashboard, where all your pages, databases, and elements are displayed. Now, let's direct our focus to the left bottom corner of the Notion interface. Here, you'll find the option labeled Calendar. This section is where the magic begins. Click on it, and you'll be prompted by the system for the next steps. The Notion interface will guide you through the necessary steps to initiate the connection with your Google Calendar. These prompts are typically straightforward, asking you to sign into your Google account if you haven't already, and to grant the necessary permissions for Notion to access your calendar data. It's important to carefully read through each step and give the required permissions. This ensures that Notion can access your calendar data to sync your tasks and events properly. Security is paramount, so you can rest assured knowing that your information is safe as long as you're connecting trusted accounts directly through Notion's interface. Once you've followed these prompts and permissions, the integration process should flow naturally, leading you to a successful connection. You'll likely receive a confirmation message that the connection has been successfully established. With this connection, your Notion calendar and Google Calendar should now be in sync. After you've successfully linked the two, it's time to take full advantage of this powerful integration. You can now add tasks directly into your Notion calendar. These tasks will automatically reflect in your Google Calendar, ensuring you have a unified view of your schedule. This is particularly useful for keeping track of deadlines, meetings, and daily tasks without the need to switch between applications. For those who thrive on color coding and categorization, remember that Notion offers various customization options. You can personalize your calendar entries with different colors or labels, making them visually distinct and easier to manage. This kind of customization is incredibly helpful for visual learners or anyone who appreciates a little more organization in their digital workspace. Today, we've covered how to effortlessly integrate Notion with Google Calendar. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you'll find this synchronization enhances your productivity. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.